So welcome back dear students. Today we will discuss about absolute and relative measures of dispersion in statistical methods for business. What is absolute and relative measures? In the world of statistics, understanding how data varies or spreads out is crucial for making informed business decisions. This understanding is encapsulated by measures of dispersion, which provide insights into the variability or diversity within a data set. In the context of business analytics, it is imperative for all of you to comprehend two fundamental concepts, that is absolute measures of dispersion and second is relative measures of dispersion. The absolute measures of dispersion quantify the spread of data in terms of the units of measurement used. These measures gives a direct numerical value that indicates how much individual data points deviate from the central value. Some common absolute measures of dispersion include range, mean absolute deviation, variances and standard deviation. What is range? Range is the simplest measures of dispersion. The range is the difference between the highest and lowest values in data set. It provides a quick glimpse into the spread of data but is sensitive to outlier and might not give a complete picture. Mean absolute deviation. It calculates the average absolute difference between each data point and the mean. It offers a more comprehensive understanding of dispersion by considering all data points. However, it can be influenced by the choice of the mean. Variance. Variance is the average of the squared difference between each data point and the mean. It provides a measure of how far the data points are from the mean, emphasizing the squared differences. Variances has a higher mathematical significance but is less intuitive to interpret due to the squared values. Standard deviation. The standard deviation is the square root of the variance. It is perhaps the most widely used measure of dispersion due to its ease of interpretation. A smaller standard deviation indicates less variability, while a larger standard deviation suggests greater variability. Now, the relative measures of dispersion. The relative measures of dispersion express the variability as a proportion or percentage relative to the central value. These measures allow for a more meaningful comparison of dispersion across different data sets with varying scales. Key relative measures of dispersion include a coefficient of range. This ratio compares the range to the mean. It offers insights into the dispersion relative to the central value. The formula to calculate coefficient of range is range divided by mean into 100. The coefficient of variation is it compares the standard deviation to the mean, expressing the relative dispersion as a percentage. It is particularly useful when comparing data sets with different units or scales. The formula is standard deviation divided by mean into 100%. The relative variances is this measures compares the variance to the square of the mean. It provides a perspective on the relative variability compared to the mean. The formula for the following is the formula for relative variances. Now, how to choose the right measure? The choice between absolute and relative measures of dispersion depends on the context and the nature of data being analyzed. Absolute measures are useful when you want a clear understanding of the spread in the original units of measurement. Relative measures are valuable when comparing dispersions across different data sets with varying scales, as they provide a standardized perspective. In the realm of business analytics, both absolute and relative measures of dispersion play a pivotal role in making informed decisions. So this information should be proficient in calculating and interpreting these measures to ensure they have a robust foundation for analyzing and interpreting data in the business context. So thank you.